Here's Splitwise app. So I just created an account. So now you can add expenses, you can settle up, and then let's explore, let's get started. So what you would like to do first, like add a group trip or add your apartment, and you can also add friends. So then just tap plus. So then you can just add your friend. Here is some test email, and then you can add the description, and then you can add an expense. You must enter a description and then add some select trip. Okay, so basically the idea is that, for example, you can add a group with friends with, for example, you are often going out somewhere. Then you can set up group type, home trip, couple other, and then add members. You can add some new contacts as I just showed here. So yeah, it's also a good idea to sync your contacts. Then you'll just instantly add your friends. So then just add something like that. So yep, that's okay. Sorry, I'm just trying also to figure it out. Then add it and then finish. So then I added this person to the list. Then I can just add this expense and then just save it. So for example, here is the expense. You paid $100 in this group. So you owe $50 and Andrew owes $50. So that's the idea. And then yeah, you can just see this expense, and then you can just settle. And then you can see who is paying or who is getting paid, and then you can see that that person owes you this amount of money. Yeah, and then you see your activity, you can see your account here, you can see your passcode, you can add friends, and yeah, you can see total balance and that you're owed $50 because I added like $100, meaning that I like paid for that. So that's the idea. Yep, so something around it. Hope this is helpful.